Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic known as the emotion code, a powerful healing technique that addresses emotional blockages and trapped emotions. Developed by Dr. Bradley Nelson, the emotion code is based on the premise that unresolved emotions can have a significant impact on our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By using this technique, individuals can identify and release these trapped emotions, leading to improved health and enhanced quality of life. At the core of the emotion code is the idea that every emotion we experience leaves an energetic imprint in our bodies. These trapped emotions can stem from past traumas, stress, or negative experiences, and they often manifest as physical pain or emotional struggles. Dr. Nelson believes that by utilizing techniques such as muscle testing and energy work, individuals can tap into their subconscious mind to uncover and address these trapped emotions, ultimately releasing them and restoring balance in their lives. So, how do we actually release these trapped emotions? One effective method involves using a technique called muscle testing, which helps to identify the specific emotions that are causing blockages. This can be done through self-testing or with the assistance of a practitioner. Once the trapped emotion is identified, the next step involves using a simple process to release it. This often includes placing your hand over your heart, visualizing the emotion, and using an affirmation to confirm the release. The combination of intention, visualization, and energy work can create a profound shift in your emotional state. It's important to note that releasing trapped emotions through the emotion code can lead to significant changes in various aspects of your life. People report experiencing relief from physical ailments, improved interpersonal relationships, and a greater sense of peace and happiness. This technique empowers individuals to take control of their emotional health, and many find it to be a transformative and life-changing experience. In conclusion, the emotion code offers a unique approach to healing by addressing the emotional blockages that can hold us back. If you're curious about whether it's right for you, consider exploring this technique further. You might find that releasing trapped emotions can lead to profound healing and a more vibrant, fulfilling life. Stay tuned for more engaging content, and don't forget to like and subscribe for updates on our latest videos. If you want to book session with me, you can book a emotion code session at link given in description.